Long ago, in the green lands of Vietnam, people lived in peace and grew rice. There was a good leader who had 2 daughters. Their names were Trưng and Trưng. They loved reading books and learning martial arts. Trưng was the older sister. She was smart. Trưng was the younger sister. She was fast. They were very strong and brave. But one day, a greedy governor came. He took away all the silk and pearls of the villagers. The people in the village had to work very hard. They were tired and sad. Trưng had a brave husband named Thuyết. He told the bad governor to stop. But the bad governor took him away forever. Trưng was heartbroken. But she did not give up. She stood up tall. I will protect our home. Trưng held her hand. I'm with you. The 2 sisters promised to bring peace back to the village. Men and women came to help. Even mothers and grandmothers joined the army. They made shining weapons to protect themselves. Boom, boom, 2 giant elephants came. The sisters wore golden armor and rode the elephants. Let's go, they shouted. The army marched. They marched to the governor's big castle. The greedy governor was so scared. He cut his hair, changed his clothes, and hid. At night, all the bad men ran far away. The village was free and safe again. The people cheered. Everyone was so happy. Trưng became the new queen to care for everyone. The 2 sisters were Vietnam's great heroes.